How to permanently delete Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can permanently delete your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon. Then once you tap the gear icon, go to Meta Account Center here. Once you go to Meta Account Center from here, what you want to do is just wait until this page loads up, and then from here go to Personal Details. Once you go to the option called Personal Details, go to Account Ownership and Control. So just tap on Deactivation or Deletion, and then now just tap on Facebook. Then select the option called Delete Account, because deactivation is going to get selected by default. So tap on the Continue option here, select your reason, tap on Continue, tap on Continue. Ignore all of this pop-up, scroll down, select Continue, and your Facebook account will get successfully deleted. This way you can permanently delete your Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.